In the category of small spaces, the nominees are Alisberg Parker Architects. After working with the architects on their Armonk home, the clients returned to the team for a second project for a pool and pool house. 2 stylish yet highly functional pavilions were built, connected by an open, airy cedar trellis that accommodates dining and lounging spaces, as well as a media center and storage. The plan also offers ample kitchen, bar, bathing, and changing spaces. Brett Helsham Designs. Prior to the renovation, this apartment in a pre-war building in Carnegie Hill hadn't been touched since the 1960s. The design team stripped the interiors almost entirely before creating a modern home that reflects the client's Parisian heritage, but will also accommodate the baby that's on the way. The color scheme is especially appealing with its graphic black, white, silver, and gray palette. Daedalus Workshop Architects. Pre-renovation, this apartment was described as gloomy with small windows, poor lighting, and very little storage space. The architect's solutions center on an 11-foot-long, full-height, 2-sided cabinet that separates the living space and bedrooms, while also resolving many of the privacy, storage, lighting, and display issues. Today, the 615-square-foot space looks and lives much larger, and its style quotient has increased thanks to features like a gas fireplace and the sliding doors with translucent panels that Judge Judy Ross called clean and chic. Jasmine Lamb Interior Design plus Architecture. This Carnegie Hall penthouse serves as the home offices for Jasmine Lamb Interior Design plus Architecture. At just 400 square feet, with a 600-square-foot terrace, the renovation resulted in stylish updates to the fireplace, bathroom, kitchen, living room, and bedroom areas. Custom millwork helped elongate the height of the ceiling, and a refreshed lighting scheme both unifies and brightens the spaces. Linherr Hollingsworth. The owners of this 1-bedroom pre-war apartment in Gramercy Park sought calm and cohesive interiors that would reflect their love of art. The design team prioritized the architecture of the spaces, relocating a closet and unifying ceiling heights to accommodate a more modern lighting scheme. In the new open-plan kitchen, a marble-clad island with waterfall legs was designed and built, as was an adjoining bar area with a wine cooler. The foyer and powder room were also entirely reimagined. Here to present the award for small spaces is Peter Farrell, California Closets.